Have you noticed how AI-generated short films are taking over YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even Facebook?
Creators are producing cinematic AI movies that look incredibly realistic, and some of these videos are getting hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. But here's the question: how are they creating these videos so quickly? Most people think you need separate tools for writing the story, generating images, creating videos, making voiceovers, adding music, and editing everything together. That usually means paying for multiple subscriptions and spending hours switching between different platforms. But today I'm going to show you a much simpler workflow. In this video, we'll use Flova AI to create a complete AI movie from a single idea. We'll go through the entire process, from brainstorming the story to generating the final video, adding voices and music, editing everything in the timeline, and exporting the finished movie. Let's get started. First, create a free Flova AI account using the link in my description. New users receive 100 free credits immediately after signing up, and you can unlock another 200 credits by exploring Flova, giving you plenty of credits to start creating your first AI movie. Now let's jump inside. One thing I immediately noticed is that Flova isn't just another AI video generator. Instead of forcing you to switch between different websites for images, videos, voiceovers, music, and editing, Flova brings most of the workflow into one platform. You can brainstorm ideas, generate visuals, create videos, add AI voices, generate music, edit everything in the timeline, and export the final project, all without constantly jumping between different tools. For creators, that's a huge time saver. Another feature I really like is the conversational agent. Instead of writing one prompt and hoping for the best, you simply chat with Flova like you're talking to a creative teammate. If your story feels boring, ask it to make the opening more exciting. Want a better ending? Just ask. Need stronger dialogue, more dramatic camera angles, or a completely different visual style? Describe it naturally, and if you run out of ideas completely, Flova can actually brainstorm with you, suggest new scenes, improve your storytelling, and help refine your movie. It handles the heavy prompting and AI trial and error, so you can focus on being creative. Before creating our movie, let's look at skills. It's important to understand that skills are much more than simple templates. A skill is a reusable workflow. It can save your story structure, prompt strategy, visual style, preferred AI models, shot planning, and overall production process. That means once you build a workflow you like, you can reuse it again and again instead of starting from scratch every time. Flova also includes a skill library filled with workflows created by experienced creators. If you're a beginner, you can start with a proven workflow like narrative short film and customize it for your own story. As you become more experienced, you can save your own skills and reuse them for future projects, making batch content creation much faster. For today's tutorial, we'll use narrative short film. Instead of just talking about features, let's actually make a movie. I'm starting from scratch with a single prompt. Prompt. I'll send the prompt and let Flova begin. Instead of immediately generating images, the agent starts planning the entire movie. It develops the storyline, breaks everything into scenes, plans the camera shots, and creates a storyboard for review. This feels much more like working with a creative assistant than using a traditional AI generator. If I don't like something, I don't have to start over. For example, I can simply type, make the opening more suspenseful, or add a car chase before the final scene, or give the villain a stronger personality. The agent updates the project through conversation, making revisions incredibly easy. Once I'm happy with the storyboard, I'll confirm it so Flova can move on to the production stage. Now let's talk about one of the biggest challenges in AI filmmaking, keeping everything consistent. Flova solves this with Elements. Elements let you save important assets from your project. For example, I can save the main hero, the villain, the police vehicles, the bank building, specific outfits, or any other important object. Later, when generating new scenes, I can reference those elements so the same characters, locations, and visual style remain consistent throughout the entire movie. This is especially useful for longer projects where consistency really matters. Now Flova starts generating our character and scene images. Everything happens step by step, and you can follow the entire workflow as the agent progresses through each stage. Once the images are finished, it's time to create the video clips. Before generating the videos, Flova gives me the option to choose the AI model myself. If you're not sure which one to use, you can simply let Flova recommend the most suitable model based on your project. This flexibility makes it much easier to keep up with the rapidly changing AI landscape without constantly learning new tools. I'll use the recommended option and continue. Now, Flova transforms each storyboard scene into cinematic video clips. If one shot doesn't look exactly how I imagined, I don't need to regenerate the entire movie. For example, let's say I want scene 3 to feel more dramatic. I'll simply type, regenerate scene 3 with heavier rain, handheld camera movement, and a dramatic close-up of the hero. Within a short time, Flova updates only that scene while keeping the rest of the movie exactly the same. That level of control saves a lot of time. Next, I'll generate the dialogue using one of Flova's built-in AI voices. After that, I'll ask Flova to generate background music that matches the mood of the story. Since everything is created inside the same project, the workflow feels much smoother than exporting files between different platforms. Once all the assets are ready, Flova automatically places everything into the built-in timeline editor. This is where I can fine-tune the final movie. I can rearrange scenes, adjust the pacing, trim clips, control the voice and music volume, add transitions, and make any final edits before exporting. Having everything organized in one timeline makes the finishing process much easier. After reviewing the final result, all that's left is clicking export. Within a few moments, the movie is ready to publish on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook, or even use in client projects. After using Flova AI, what impressed me most wasn't just the quality of the AI generation. It was the complete workflow. Instead of juggling multiple AI tools, you can brainstorm ideas with a conversational agent, build your story, generate consistent characters using elements, speed up production with reusable skills, create images and videos, add voices and music, edit everything in the timeline, and export the finished movie, all inside one platform. If you've been thinking about creating AI movies but didn't know where to start, Flova makes the process much more approachable. If you'd like to try it yourself, use the link in the description below. New users receive 100 free credits after signing up, and you can unlock another 200 credits by exploring Flova. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool videos, and I'll see you in the next one.